This is video 223. It's about the actions of stat, overlay fill, capitalize, and RowColumn. Here it says stat, the tab number. Well, this is tab 223. It means put the tab number on the status line and show the first letter of the alphabet in front of it. Let's execute this. Here it says A223. This is the stat line. Every time the program finds that action, it puts the value after the letter implied by the number. Alright, back to the program. That's stat. Next, we're going to do an overlay fill of one color and then change the color and do an overlay fill again. It's going to be this tall, 180, 300 wide at position 350, 105. That will be the center of the oval. The color. First of all, there's a 6 out in front of the first 3 digits, which indicates it's going to change color. From one color to another, it's going to be color 808, and then change to color 404. But the second time it shows the oval fill, it's going to increase Y by 200, meaning it's going to go further down on the screen. And it puts a digit in front of the last 3 digits of a 4, which indicates level 4 transparency. Well, let's execute this again. Here it shows the first oval, and you see it's darker in the center than on the outsides. That's what the 6 in front of it did. Here's the second oval. It's partly transparent. Level 4 transparency. The reason it seems to be lighter is it's showing part of this gold through the oval. Alright, that's ovals. The next thing we're going to look at is capitalize, C-A-P. We're going to fill the first 4 characters of alphabet with 97, that's a lowercase a. We're going to fill the next 4, that would be the ones at alphabet plus 4, with a 98, that'd be a lowercase b. Then it says here we're going to set X and Y values, set a font size, set a color, and before we do the text, we're going to capitalize the first 8 characters of alphabet and put them at alphabet plus 8. Well, now there's 16 characters there, so in the text statement it says text the 16 characters at alphabet. Well, let's execute it. Here we see it's for lowercase a, for lowercase b, and then we told it to make it capitals and put it at offset 4. So the next are 4 capital A's and then 4 capital B's. That is capitalize. Back to the program. Alright, we're right after here. Now we say for I equals 0, to the next I to 8 one at a time, put in the list called value at offset I, the value of the offset. So at offset 0 it'll be 0, 1 it'll be 1, and at 8 it will be the value 8. Then it's going to set up a BoxEnd operation. BoxEnd, when it has the 123 in front of the next 3 digits, means L, M, and N are needed in the operation. L is the value added to get to the next row from the first offset. M is the number of columns. N is the number of rows. Given an XY position, here it issues the box numeric, gives that value, and it says in the last 3 digits, 5 digits in the number. 0 here indicates it's not clickable. You can't change the numbers. Next, value. Back here, that's where we put the numbers 0 through 8 at the offsets. Remember, that is value. So if we go there and look for this box, here we see it. 0, 1, 2, then next row, 3, 4, 5, the next row, 6, 7, 8. Well, that's box N. Right, back to the program. Then we're going to issue a row column, which is going to take the column at value plus 1 and change it into a row and put it at value plus 40. Well, and it has this other parameter that tells it how many to jump from row to row. Same meaning as up here, the 3, so we use the 3 here also. Then, because we're going to use a box N, we set up these values again. L, 3, M, 3, that's how many columns, but rows, 1 row. An XY position, we do our box N, showing the 1, 2, 3, meaning we use L, M, and N. Not clickable. And the values at value plus 40. That is where it became a row. We took the column here and changed it in a row here. Well, let's see what that means. We executed it. Said, at offset 1, take that column and make it into a row. 1, 4, and 7 became a row. 1, 4, 7, it became a row. That is used for like add L and mul L, where you need to work with rows only. Alright, that is video 223.